So the current exercise is going to be on geospatial referencing or georeferencing a map so that we can vectorize it and add data to our map. Right, so this is a map of Meghalaya state published by Survey of India. So we'll be using this map for georeferencing. Right, so you can see there are latitude and longitudes given. So here right the left top corner you can see 89 degree 45 minutes east, 26 degree 30 minutes north. Right, similarly you can see on the this side also. Right, so these are junctions. Right, so these grid junctions we'll be using for georeferencing. Right, so here all four sides we have the geo coordinates are there which we will be using and georeferencing. So this is the map we are going to georeference. Okay, so let's move to our software and try to upload this map. So ArcGIS ArcMap is open. We'll go to catalog. Right, so this we don't need. We'll go to where the map has been kept. Right, so that is somewhere here. Georeferencing. So this is Meghalaya. So this is Meghalaya map. So if you right click and see the properties, you'll find the map currently does not have any spatial reference. Right, so before we go on and do the georeferencing, we need to assign a spatial reference to the map. So this is based on what type of datum or projection we are going to assign. So here there is an edit button, click on that. Right, so go to geographic coordinate system, then browse down, you will see world, browse down again, you will see WGS 84. Right, so this is a common grid system for entire world which we will be using for georeferencing for this Meghalaya map. Right, we'll give OK. So you can see now it has come. Right, so if this is given, then it is easier for georeferencing. If this is not given, what happens is that maps sometimes get distorted. So initially the if you assign this, the software knows that okay, this georeferencing is happening on this particular projection system. Okay, so we'll give apply and then okay. Now the map is this map is ready for being brought down to our map window. Just drag and drop it. Right, so we have this warning, you can just ignore, give OK. Right, now we have the map ready for georeferencing. You can see it has created the bands also for the map. Right, so now what we need to do is we need to have the georeferencing tool. Right, so we'll click here, just on this empty toolbar you just need to right click and you'll find there is a tool called georeferencing. Right, click on that. So this tool will open up. I'll just dock it here, right, so that it is it doesn't move and does not disturb me. Now this is the first point that we are going to choose for georeferencing. So I'll enlarge this, right, so that this junction is clear to me, and this grid junction is clear to me, and I have the latitude and longitude also given here. Right, okay, now you need to click on add control points. Right, go here. Right, if it is not enlarged enough, you can just scroll and enlarge it, and you can see the darker cell here. Just click on it. Right, just click, just one click, and then you can move your cursor. Right, so you'll find a line has come. Right, so now what you need to do is you need to just right click, and you'll find it says input XY, right? Input DMS or cancel point, right? So input XY is what we are going to do, because it is a degree. I think it is degree minutes it is given here, right? So we'll see degree minute seconds, right? So this is for degree decimals XY. This is for degree minute seconds. That is where we are entering latitude and longitude, right? So here we'll click DMS, right? And this window will open up, and now we know, right, what to enter where, right? So this 89, because it is towards the eastern side, right? 89, minute is 45, second is 0, right? And you have to choose E, right, as it is in the eastern hemisphere. Then here we have to choose N, and we have to enter 26, 30, and this is going to be 0. Click OK. So you'll find there is some change that has happened, right, in your map. So you can see here point 1 has been recorded. Now you can also go here, there is a view link table, you can click on that, and it says, right, so this has been entered. So this is the coordinate that you have entered, and there is no residual error as of now, right? So this is in auto adjust mode, so automatically the map will adjust to that particular location, right? So let's register the second point. So always remember to go in one direction, right? So I have chosen the top left corner now. Now what I'll do is that I'll go to the top right corner, right, and register that point. So I'll browse to the top right corner of the map. So either follow a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction, then it will be easier for the software to calculate the distance between each of the points that we are marking, right? So here I'll enlarge it so that I can see the junction very clearly, right? Then I'll click on add control point, right? Click on the center, right? So you should enlarge as much as possible so that you can see the exact center, right? Then once you click, just move the cursor and then right click, add DMS. Here we are going to add 93, 0, and this is also 0. Ensure it is east, right? Then we have 26, 30, and this is 0, right? And again north, right? Okay. So now the map has disappeared. Don't worry, right? Map is there. What you need to do is just click on full extent. So you'll find map appears again. Now what has happened is map has actually gone to the has got displaced to its original location or to its original latitude and longitude where we are now, which we are assigning one by one, right? Now we'll again go and check this RMS error, right? So this is the link table. So we should ensure that this residual part, right, so does not go beyond 1. It has to remain within 1. Then we consider our georeferences. Okay, so as of now the 2 points I have registered, residual error is showing as 0, so that is good. I'll close it. I'll go to my third location. So I had registered the first location here, right? Second location here. So top left was my first location, top right was my second location. Now I'll go and register my third location, right? So third control point. So I'll enlarge that particular point, right? I'm using a window enlargement. So right, So this is going to be my third location, right? Enlarge as much as possible so that you see the center very clearly, right? Then I'll go and click the add control point. I'll place it on the center of it, click it, move the cursor, right? I'm just zooming out so that I can see the coordinates. Click on DMS. Here already it has come 93, so this is 93, so this is going to be 0, and this is also going to be 0 east, right? So this is 24, this is going to be 45, right? And this is 0, and I'll press OK, right? Map has again disappeared. Don't worry, what you need to do is just click on full extent. It will appear again, right? Again go back and check the link table, so you can find still there is no error, right? So the residual error is 0, right? So that is good thing, right? So this is, so whatever we are registering, it is coming that in that manner. Okay, click OK. Let's so 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3, right? So now we have to register one more point, that is 0.4. So minimum 4 points is always good to have appropriate georeferencing to happen, right? So otherwise there will be some error, some stretching here and there, so that can be avoided if you have minimum 4 points. So let's enlarge this. So here this is the junction, right? So this, click on control point, click on the center of the cell, move the cursor, click let me first zoom out. So this is still active, so zoom out, right? So click on DMS, right? So here already 89 has come, so this is 89, 45, right? 45 degree east, right? So this is 0, east is already selected, so this is 25, 45, and this is going to be 0, and then press OK, right? Now you will find there will be, yes, you can see some little bit of error it is showing, but still it is way below 1, right? So that means our georeferencing has been successful, right? But the process is not yet complete, because this map can get altered, so we need to save this georeferencing permanently, so that we can use the map for various purposes. So here we have this georeferencing, you can see here it is written here, just need to click on the down arrow, right? So here there is something called update georeferencing. So what it will do is that it will temporarily update on this particular window. There is something called rectify, so which will help us in permanently updating the information, geo information or the coordinates on the map. So what we are going to do is that we are going to permanently update it, right? So we'll click rectify, a window will open up, right? So here you will find some technical information is given, so don't mind that, right? So you need to check where you want to save, right? So you will click here, right? I want to save in the folder, right? E drive, where is my workshop? Yes, okay, E drive. So I am saving it here, right? So here Meghalaya, so I'll give a new name. So I think we need to, okay, just select the folder, okay, that is the only thing that is required. Go here, right, Caritas, right, workshop, georeferencing, Meghalaya. I need to just select that folder and click add, right? Now here we can give the name, so I'll give because this is georeferenced map, so I'll give a new name, meg. I'm giving meg, MEGH, meg underscore georef, right, so that I can identify, right. So just give the name. Already the format will be TIFF because that is the best compression we can have, and no, it can be stored in a stored with good resolution, and it will not disturb any of the no, entities that are there, no, the marked entities that are there in the map, right. So TIFF is one of the best formats we can save, right. So we'll compression type we need not give anything, right, just click save. So it will take time. Okay, now the map has been saved, right. Now you can also see here it is also showing the registered value, whatever we have registered, right. It is showing in degree decimal because that is the default way of ArcMap to show in. So now let's bring the our georeferenced map here, right, and check whether it has actually georeferenced or not, right. So we'll remove this map, right, and bring the georeferenced map, right. So I'm going to remove this map from here. So for that I'll go here, click, right click, and click on remove. So that is removed, and I'll go to catalog, right, click on Meghalaya, right, maybe just refresh it. So I have this new map here, right, Meghalaya, Meg georeference, right, georef, right. So this I'll bring, and you can see here, right. So whenever I am moving my cursor, you just monitor this particular thing. You can see the latitude, longitude. So you can see this entire map has been georeferenced, right. So you can take here and see whether the points are coming right or not. So this is 24, 45, 93, and you can see here, right. So see here, so it will come 23, right, somewhere this is 45 in 75 in degree decimal, right. So that is absolutely correct. Georeferencing has happened, right. So this is how we do georeferencing. So this is one of the easiest methods of georeferencing in when we look at various other GIS softwares that we have, right. I hope you have understood. We'll do one more exercise of georeferencing shortly. Thank you.